Hello guys, today we make the Almonella, that is the sister of the Nutella. No, it's not true, it's my invention. Nutella had no a sister, but because the Nutella is done with hazelnut and chocolate, and this one is done with almond and white chocolate, I decided to give this name Almonella. Okay, for this recipe you need 200 grams of almond that I have already roasted on the stove. Be careful not to burn, should be brown but not black. 150 grams of white chocolate, 50 grams of icing or powdered sugar, 150 grams of condensed milk and 30 ml of oil. I will use rice oil. Now, first of all, with a mixer, we need to mix our almonds. If you have the classic one, it's better. I will use this one because I have only this one. After we take our chocolate, we put our bowl upon a pot with the water on the stove and we melt the chocolate. I think also in English it's called the technique of Bain Mary. After, when the chocolate is melted, we can add the other ingredient, and when everything is well mixed, we can complete with the almond. See you later for the tasting. Spectacular, especially with the Hokkaido bread that I have already posted the video. If you like the cream less thick, you can diminish the condensed milk. Less condensed milk and the cream will be more smoothie. If you like a little bit thicker like me, you can follow the recipe. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, to share these videos with your friends. Any question down in the comments. Also, if you try to put less condensed milk, let us know in the comment. Bye bye.